Hello, Ian here again. We're working with Rebuilding Generations. Got a couple things going on in the shop tonight. We've got our 65 Mustang project that we're getting ready to start, as well as we're fairly far along on the 72 Rally Sport Z28 project. Tonight what we're going to do is put in the rear end and show how that's done. This is a rear end that Currie built for us. It's a 12-bolt rear end, and they went ahead and put the Ford axle keepers on it, so if we break an axle shaft we don't lose it. And then CPP sent us a big brake kit. We're putting that on, so we're going to have rear disc brakes on this. So what we've done is we've taken the old rear end out. We have new springs. We've prepped it. We've painted it. We've painted the underside. We've cleaned off all the old undercoat, and it looks nice and clean. So tonight we're going to work with the young gentleman, and we're going to get this put in. So John.
Okay. So what we're going to do, fellas, is we're going to roll this back to the position. We're actually going to take this jack stand out, and then we're going to lift the rear of the springs up into the shaft just here. We're going to load the bolts through them, and then tighten them up, not completely, just enough to where it's not going to fall out. And then we're going to go ahead and lower the car down on top, onto these platforms here, and actually pull them up to the chassis here. So, whenever you guys are ready, you get started.
I'll control the lift. We'll lower the lift whenever you guys are ready. John, get it into position that you feel comfortable. Alright, let's pull up now. Okay. I'll bring the car down. Everyone be careful. I'll drop it down a little bit. You guys are going to be under the car, so.
Step out away from the car. I got it.
Coming down. Clear?
Clear. 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 Right there.
Here we are again with the end of the installation of the rear end. Took about 30 minutes. Big shout out to CPP. Brake system worked great. Also, Currie went right in. Brackets, everything. The young gentleman, after a little bit of conversation about it, had no problem putting it in. So here we are, we're putting the final wheel back on, and the car will be ready to go. Thank you, Currie. Thank you, CPP.